Welcome to this comprehensive review of Workday Financial Management. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about this widely used accounting and financial management platform. Workday Financial Management is a cloud-based solution designed to help businesses streamline their financial operations and improve reporting accuracy. When you first log into Workday, you're greeted with a clean and intuitive dashboard. The interface is user-friendly and offers a modern design, making navigation straightforward even for those new to the platform. The dashboard displays key financial metrics at a glance, including cash flow summaries, income statements, and budget comparisons. These visualizations are customizable, allowing businesses to focus on their most critical data. Workday's financial planning tools are a standout feature. You can create detailed budgets, forecast future financial performance, and analyze trends with advanced reporting capabilities. It offers real-time insights, so you can make informed decisions quickly. The reporting function is highly flexible, letting you drill down into specific categories, departments, or even individual transactions. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video to expand your knowledge and explore related tools that might complement Workday's functionalities. One of the most powerful aspects of Workday Financial Management is its automation capabilities. Recurring processes like payroll, accounts payable, and expense tracking can be automated, saving significant time and reducing the risk of errors. Integrations with other Workday modules, like human capital management, ensure seamless data sharing across different departments. Security is another area where Workday excels. The platform uses advanced encryption and compliance standards to protect sensitive financial data. For companies operating internationally, its multi-currency and multi-language support are invaluable. These features make it suitable for global enterprises and growing businesses alike. Customer support is readily available through multiple channels, including live chat, email, and a comprehensive help center filled with guides and tutorials. Additionally, Workday regularly updates its platform to introduce new features and enhance its performance, showing a commitment to staying ahead of the curve in financial technology. To conclude, Workday Financial Management is a robust tool for organizations looking to modernize their financial processes. Its combination of advanced features, automation, and ease of use makes it a leading choice for businesses of all sizes. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more insightful reviews and tutorials. Your support helps us create more valuable content. See you in the next video.